then I wanted to talk about this. You know, this just fix the problems. Just fix the problems. Just stop doing things that are bad for the presidency. Stop doing things that are bad for the United States. Stop doing things that are bad. Just stop doing bad things, and you can leave these discussions to me and to other people who are concerned about everything that's happening, right? I mean, when you do things like this, first of all, this is terrible, right? And all the support for the conglomerate celebrities is terrible. You know, and this just and all of those things. You don't have to be nasty about conglomerate celebrities. Just stop offering them political power. You know, stop doing that. You know, and stop rewarding politicians who also support the conglomerate's agenda. Stop doing that. You know, stop doing that. As far as politicians go, you know, people who have actual political training, right? People who gone to school for it, really directly worked in politics for a long time, you know, that sort of thing. At least they have that, right? And these conglomerate celebrities, they're just, you know, they're just even if they were better people than they are, I'm still reluctant to say, oh yeah, it's all right for them to gain political power, because there are all sorts of other people who are more qualified. You know, I mean, that's certainly something you can understand, right? Making sure that the people who are actually qualified for things are the ones who get hired and supported for things, right? And then things like this, it's very divisive. It's very divisive. It's going to make people who want to be supportive of the United States insecure, and it's going to make people who are enemies of the United States, you know, feel like good. You know, they'll feel like, all right, the United States is, you know, having a rough time. They don't have a lot of confidence in the president. They don't really, you know, that sort of thing. And even the people who work for the president don't have confidence in him, right? That's there's no, it's the same thing kind of that you just kind of keep doing the same not good thing that you just keep doing over and over again. Just fix the problems. Just fix the problems is all. Fix them, right? Fix them.